you will be working with Entity Framework this week, doing code first databases. So you're going to be going through chapter 4 in the book, and your assignment is in the lecture demo. So as you go through here, some of the lecture videos I put with the hands-on because it just made more sense to explain it when we were doing it. So there is a link to the video. I also have a link to a starter file that you will be opening and modifying it. And so as you go through here, it will teach you about Entity Framework and how to wire up a code first database. At the very, very bottom, you will be completing the movie project, and then you're going to be directed to create your own. So for your own, the tasks are going to be very, very similar to what you did in the movie project. And I've kind of bold-faced and numbered these tasks because this matches the steps that you follow when you're doing a code first project. So way up here, got these code first steps, and those are the steps that you're going to follow to create a class and then generate the controllers and the views. Okay, and so I do have a video that kind of walks you through it. I do have an example that you can look at, and then I do have these steps. Now, because this can be used as a basis for your term project, you're going to want to add authentication to your project. And if you're not sure of how to do that, please watch the video because the video shows you how to add authentication. That does make migrations a little bit more complicated. So please read through. For your connection string, there will be a connection string in your project already. And so basically all you have to do is modify the database name because the default database name is usually not user-friendly. So you can see I changed it. And then the way that you do your migrations is going to be a little bit different because you're going to have to do migrations for your context class that you create, and then you have to do them for the application DB context that was created with that authentication system. Okay, so you can see for yours, you have to do an add migration and an update database, but for the application DB context, all you need is an update database. The video explains all of this, so please watch the video for this exercise. If you run into problems or if you have questions, you'll have to put your project up on GitHub and send me a link so I can take a look at it. We do get into link queries, so that is something that is covered in 195. However, for some of you, it's been a while since you've taken 195. So I did link in all of the material for that, so you can take a look at it. And I also provided a link to Entity Framework's documentation hub, where you can find more information on that.